Are higher. European markets have opened with gains of 0.5 to 1%. Bruno Verstraete of Lakefield Partners joins in now. Hi, Bruno. What's the street expecting now after Draghi said that he will re-examine the ECB's bond buying program in December? Does it mean he will extend the timeline, or is there a possibility that he will expand the bond buying program and increase the quantum of it?
Yeah, good morning. I believe that the expansion is the more likely hope that the markets are having. Mainly because the extension would not be necessary so far. The indication that they had initially was that the program of 60 billion would run up till September 2016. So that's still far out enough to stimulate the markets. What the markets really want to see is clearly an expansion, and hopefully an expansion which goes beyond the strong countries. I think those are the ones that would be needing the help, and potentially also towards the real economy. Clearly what Europe is fearing is a Japanese-like scenario with deflation in the long run, and given the fact that the recession seems to be looming, that fear is probably a realistic one. So markets want to see stimulus in Europe, and in the US, on the other hand, they want to see good economic numbers so that the interest rate increase is coming closer.
The Japanese kind of scenario doesn't quite tie up with the way in which stocks have risen because of this liquidity injection or promised liquidity injection. Bruno, how do you think asset markets are going to perform? Does this risk on hold for a goodish bit?
It depends. Of course, just the words, we have seen that many times from central banks. I don't think that the words alone will do it. And there will need to be a clear action plan and a clear visibility on the markets what the effect is. Because so far the QE had several different effects, and it remains to be seen what the effect of a QE2 in Europe would be on the financial markets, and more importantly what the impact would be on the economy. If we only see words and there's no concrete action taken and no clear commitment from all the different countries on it, then I think the markets will react disappointed, and then it's back to the economy.
All right. Thanks a lot, Bruno, for joining us with your thoughts. All eyes will be on the December meet of the ECB and what comes out of that, and of course the inflation numbers in the run-up to that meeting as well. You have some interesting flashes over there, not exactly market moving, but very important for the future of monetary policy in the country. How will the Monetary Policy Committee be fashioned? That's something